Good morning everyone. So in this video I am going to tell you about my interview experience for when I applied for data engineering intern position at Tribes.ai. So basically when I applied for data engineer intern position, so basically my first task was to do a assignment. The assignment was consisted which I will link down below. Basically it asked me to make a data pipeline using Apache Airflow, and for that I had to learn a lot of things for doing that assignment. I had to learn how to use Neo4j database, and I had to learn to use Apache Airflow software uh, and things like this. So basically the assignment was broken down into 2 steps, and then I had to complete each of these steps and make proper documentation, and then submit it to the people in around in 5 days or a week time. I can remember the exact duration. And then after that, if they like my assignment, then I was scheduled a technical round, uh, maybe after a week. After 5 days, the deadline for submitting the assignment was 5 days, and then after that 7 days was 7 or around 10 days was given for checking the assignment. Then there was my interview. In the interview, the people basically asked me about my resume, like the details about my resume and the technologies. I had to told them that what technologies I had worked on. So I had to tell them that what technologies that I have worked on, and they basically asked me about the different things in my resume, like my various projects. And then they asked me about some SQL questions, and then after SQL they asked me uh, about basically they shared my screen, and then asked me to write some code on using Python language like Open. uh, how can I work with pandas module. And then after that they asked me some basically it was mostly technical round, and from the resume they asked the questions. And then after that I was the interview lasted for around 55 minutes. And then there were 3 people who were interviewing me. Yes, they also asked a coding question, which was two sum question on lead code. You can see what that question is. Basically it was easy, so I coded it up. I was And after that around after the interview round, after around 3-4 hours later, I got a call from HR, and he asked me to schedule another round, which was on another day, like next day. And then he told me the timing that I had to be present. So it was taken by one of their head recruiter, like a guy from some foreign country, and then there was HR. And then in that round they asked me to explain about my project, like the assignment that I have made. They told me to share my screen and present my view, present how like tell them how I made the project and related to that. So when I told them like how I made it the project, and then after that they asked me some puzzles, like a puzzle which was sand dune puzzle. You can search it on YouTube, and I will also link it down below. So they asked me sand dune puzzle, and then after that the interviewer was chill, but you have to focus on your communication skills mainly. So my communication skills were not that really good in that HR round, and I was not able to speak proper English and like that stuff. So I was rejected in that round. And the stipend for this position is, I guess, is around 25,000 monthly, and it is a great position if you can work for it. Thanks.